Winners have a routine, and once they figure out their winning routine, they stick to it, because only then does it become habitual. Now, although this is so obvious, let me ask you a question. Tell me 5 routines that you have right now that you never deviate from, that ensures you consistently smash your sales target every single month. It's not so easy, is it? Therefore, if you want to consistently have an unfair advantage over your peers and your competition, then start building the right routines. This is something that so many people struggle with, and I believe there's a few reasons for it. When do you reckon gyms have the biggest spike in membership sign-ups? The 1st of January. We all have the right intentions. But when do you think they get their highest cancellation rate? First week in March. Why? Because they don't get instant results. And when people don't see instant results, they don't get what's called instant gratification. Therefore, they just struggle to stick to it. I know it's something that I've personally struggled with until I really started to understand something called the compound effect. In his book, The Compound Effect, Darren Hardy gives a really interesting example. And let me put it to you. If I said to you, option 1, I could give you £3 million right now, or option 2, I will give you 1 penny that doubles every single day for 31 days, which would you take? Now, 99.9% of people choose option 1 because they'd rather take the money and run. However, the people that took 0.1%, option 2, walk away with £10.3 million. Work out the maths, you'll see it for yourself. So David Brailsford created a concept called aggregation of marginal gains. He explained it as the 1% margin for improvement in every single thing you do. Because his belief was that if you improved every area, let's say related to cycling, but just by 1%, those small gains would add up to remarkable improvement.